Brought to you by the medical professionals at Carpal Pain Solutions, developers of the Carpal RX.
If you're pregnant, you no doubt want to take good care of yourself and your baby. What else could be more important? And if you also have carpal tunnel syndrome, you know that the symptoms associated with it are a real problem during your pregnancy. These symptoms can be quite severe, and you're no doubt asking yourself, how can I get rid of these symptoms without hurting my baby? If you're like most people, you assume that herbal supplements are a safe and effective way to get rid of your symptoms. But do you really know what's inside herbal supplements? 98% of all herbal supplements are manufactured in third world countries. Also, manufacturing herbal supplements is a completely unregulated business. And once imported, regulatory agencies like the FDA classify herbal supplements merely as food, without the manufacturing and safety controls that pharmaceuticals have. Herbal products are usually gathered from fields that are laden with pesticides. They are gathered by unskilled laborers who are under pressure to gather their quota for the day, and often gather indiscriminately to meet their quota. The sorting and washing process is minimal at best, and by the time the vegetable matter goes through the grinding and drying process, only about half of it is the actual desired herbal product. So when you buy an encapsulated herbal supplement, you don't know how much actual herb, filler, or pesticide is really in it. So if you're pregnant and you also have carpal tunnel syndrome, is that something you want to put in your body? Especially when there is a much better way of getting rid of your pain and other symptoms without the risk of these substances? That better way is the natural, non-invasive method called deep tissue massage therapy. Most people get complete and lasting relief using this method to treat carpal tunnel syndrome. But this isn't your ordinary massage. Pressures are directed outward from your wrist with every circular motion. The longitudinal component of this motion drains fluid away from the carpal tunnel, while the lateral component of this motion breaks the adhesions around tendons. Most importantly, to be effective, this deep tissue massage must be performed daily and for 2 to 4 weeks, otherwise it won't alleviate symptoms. Thanks to a new technology, you don't have to see a therapist every day to get this treatment. This technology is the amazing Carpal RX. It's like a take-home therapist, where you put it on your forearm twice a day for 15 minutes. It's carefully calibrated to produce the same motions, speed, and pressures that a therapist uses when performing deep tissue massage on your wrist and forearm. And it's so simple to use. Just plug it in, slide it on, strap it in, and relax. The Carpal RX will do all the complex deep tissue massage for you. So throw away all those splints and braces that just don't work. And why would you even think of using herbal supplements when they don't work and they could potentially harm your baby? If you're pregnant and have carpal tunnel syndrome, you owe it to yourself to try this remarkably effective and safe product. The Carpal RX always comes with a 60-day free trial. So if you're not completely satisfied, return it for a complete refund of all of your money, including your shipping costs. The Carpal RX is guaranteed to get rid of all of your symptoms, and it will do it easily, completely, comfortably, and cost-effectively. Remember, it's completely guaranteed to work for you. Learn more at carpalrx.com.